Hello, this is Michael Beatman with your Gateway FS weekly wrap up for Friday, May 15th. On the Chicago Board of Trade, July corn futures closed last Friday at 319 and a quarter, and they closed there again this Friday. So on the week, corn was unchanged. Beans were off 16 cents on the week, and July wheat had a pretty rough week. It was down 21 and 3/4 cents, closed at $5 and a quarter cent on the July wheat contract. A lot of that had to do with the the USDA report that was out on Tuesday. They had really big numbers. Now, a lot of those were to be expected, so the market kind of had it priced in. But just some highlights. They're saying the corn carryout after the 2020 crop, so into the 2021 year, we're going to carry over 3 billion bushels of corn into the 2021 year. So they're expecting us to have a really big corn crop. And that's up about 1.2 billion bushels over this year's corn carryout. So big corn carryouts. Beans, a little bit better number, a little bit over 400 million bushel carryout, which last year's carryout was bigger than what they're projecting the 2021 carryout to be. And then on wheat, kind of what made it, at least in my opinion, kind of what made it down was just the realization that there is quite a bit of wheat out there, and they're calling for us to have enough wheat and then to carry into next year. So the wheat carry out into 2021, the USDA pegged at about 900 million bushels. Some news headlines on the week. I have been seeing a lot of flash sales to China, quite a few, which is good. It just means that they're honoring the trade deal, and most of the sales that I've seen have been soybeans. A mixture of old crop and new crop, but mostly new crop. In that harvest time frame. So, October, November shipment is whenever a lot of the Chinese are buying our beans for that time frame. On the corn side, I did get a decent headline today as far as ethanol plants. Some industry executives in ethanol are thinking that the worst is over and that they're starting to see oil price come back. And so hopefully that's a good news for corn, because we really need that ethanol demand to come back, because it is such a large portion of our demand here domestically in the U.S. Ethanol is, and hopefully can push prices higher in the future. So I thought that was good news as well. Anyway, lastly, I wanted to encourage everybody to download our Gateway FS app in the App Store. It's pretty slick, and if you have any questions, please feel free to give myself, Adam Parker, or Phil Sally a call at 282-4000. Thank you.